breakfast in Yerevan. So itong nakuha naming tirahan, maganda siya kasi may kitchen, may sala, may dining. So kung gusto mong magluto ng ulam, kung ayaw mong kumain sa labas, madali lang. Saka may malapit na supermarket na mabilhan, kumpleto. So since mga bata gusto ay egg, so ito na lang yung breakfast din namin. No rice. Let's eat, guys. Mamaya mag city tour kami. Let's go. Clean the table.
It's cold. We're on our way to the metro station. It's an underground metro station. We're here at I don't know which metro station is this. It's the place, guys. So guys, we're going to Cascade.
Allowed daw that?
Huh? Okay guys, we're
Republic Center. The one
we're in the other station, so ikot-ikot lang kami.
I thought it's a playground, but it's not.
So hanapin namin yung Cascade stairway. So picture lang kami dito sa monument. So we don't know who's this. May natanungan kami. So malapit lang dito yung Cascade stairway. So we just keep walking. Hanap lang kami ng magandang view. Picture lang kami. So, YEREVAN experience. Dito na siguro yung pa-Cascade stairway. Annex pa.
Yeah.
The kids
That's
are
up to
playing
it.
with the snow. It's a school.
Nursery is nursery.
So, may nursery dito.
Pangalawa na to.
Time check. It's
The Museum of Russian Art.
5 minutes to 12.
Daddy, Mommy!
So we're here. Finally, we're at the Cascade stairs, so we will try to climb up. Stay tuned. So that is Cascade stairway, guys. So yan yung Cascade stairs. Okay guys, dito na kami sa Cascade Stairway. Yan po siya. So akyat kami maya maya. So ito yung Cascade Stairs.
Look at this. It's
Okay, let's try to climb this Cascade Giant Stairway. Sabi nila sa top makikita mo buong Yerevan City.
Okay ba?
Let's climb slowly. So, nasa gitna pa lang kami. So tiring. We're almost at the top of the Cascade Giant Stairway.
Hey!
It was built
Hey! Daddy!
on
Hey!
1971 and partially completed at 1980. So wait lang ha.
Guys. Hey!
Hold it there.
Hey!
So hindi pa pala tapos. Pero yung end tapos na. So dito kami dadaan muna sa staircase. So we're going to the topmost of the cascade. Still not finished. So maybe in the future they will connect. Finally. So we're here now. The top.
There's a nice view there, Daddy! Dad!
So here's the monument behind me. So we conquer the Yerevan. Oh. Okay guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung pinanggalingan namin. We came to that bottom. Look at that. This is Yerevan. We conquer the
Armenia!
Yerevan.
Yerevan, Armenia!
Selfie. Wait.
Kiss!
What are you doing so?
Malagod, babasa yung pants na dati, hindi yan pang...
Okay, how's this time? Baba na kami guys. Ito yung loob ng Cascade Stairway. So, hindi na kami nag-stairs kasi pagod na. Hanap po na kami ng shop mabilhan ng shoes ni Zoe basa sa kakalaro ng ice. So guys, this is the famous Vernissage market, souvenir market. Still we're looking for Zoe's boots. Hopefully we can find one. So nakabili na kami ng...
Ano, may taco rin pala doon.
Ayan o, may shop dyan o. Mga ano. Yan. Mga drinks. O, tara. This is the Vernissage area, guys. Behind there's a park and monument. At lang ako ng taco, Mexican taco, Dos Amigos. Ito yung food truck, sorry. Yung market. Yan. So wala pa kaming nakitang mabili. So me and Gavin will find a chessboard. Okay guys, bibili kami ng chessboard ni Gabe.
Huh?
Mga chessboard.
Yan. Papanot kanin na kanin. Okay? Pinag-duet kanin.
Ito. Around 20,000. My friend, Armenian friend. Hi. Thank you. Tapos na kami sa Vernissage market. May binili lang kaming chessboard. So, pabalik na kami sa apartment namin. At saka medyo freezing yung lamig dito. Nagtataka ako bakit ang lamig dito na area. Yung kamay mo naninigas. Sunny but cold. So we're just going straight. Nagkaligaw-ligaw kami. Ligaw. Finally guys, we found the street. So, dito sa likod ko kami. Pagod na. Pagod na. Pagod na. Pagod na kaming lahat.